If you're planning to buy Hostinger today, don't complete your order yet because there's a simple way to unlock an even bigger discount. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans. And when you use the special link in the description, you can also get an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout. You don't need to copy or enter any coupon code manually. Just click the first link below or scan the QR code on your screen. Choose your hosting plan and continue to check out. When you first open the Hostinger website, you'll see their regular promotional prices. Your extra 20% discount is applied during checkout when eligible, so make sure you continue to the payment page to see your final discounted price. Now, which plan should you choose? If you're starting a blog, personal website, portfolio, or small business website, I'd recommend checking out the premium plan. It includes useful features like a free domain on eligible plans, SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. If you're creating an online store, managing multiple websites, or need more resources, the business plan may be a better option. You can get additional benefits like daily backups, a free CDN, and improved performance, making it a stronger choice for growing websites. And if you're building a larger project that needs even more power, consider the Cloud Startup Plan, which offers additional resources and higher performance. One thing that makes Hostinger great for beginners is its custom H-panel. You can manage your websites, domains, emails, WordPress installation, backups, and other important settings from one simple dashboard.